Leading pharmacists are warning that new licences being granted to herbal remedies could mislead customers into believing that they work. The licences are being introduced in May to prevent harmful products from going on sale, as Siobhan Tai has been investigating.
Milk thistle, great after a night out on the town. Slippery elm, very good for digestion again.
Nicola swears by her herbal remedies. It's her way of keeping healthy.
Peony lactifolia, which I find absolutely great when I've got a migraine. Herbal remedies are an absolute fundamental part of my lifestyle. And I really don't know what I will do if this choice is taken away from me.
She's worried that in 3 months' time her cupboards won't be as well stocked. That's because new laws will require herbal remedies to be officially registered with a government agency, and that could mean some of the products Nicola uses could be taken off shop shelves. A traditional herbal registration number and a picture of a sprig of leaves will be printed on the label, telling us they're safe. The licensing body says the aim is to wipe out bad practice.
Some of the worst cases are where you have consumers who've had kidney failure, and that's occurred because the wrong toxic herb has been put in the product. There's a very wide range of products in terms of their standards. Some are probably reasonably okay, others are frankly mediocre with inadequate patient information, and some are downright dangerous.
The new registration scheme claims it will ensure quality and safety, but critics say it may mislead consumers about whether the products actually work.
In this particular case, although it has a licence, because it hasn't been checked for its effectiveness, in other words, if it works, the patient may actually believe that it is actually licensed for being proven to work, and that is not the case.
Only 90 herbal remedies have been registered so far, but there's concern that not all the herbs that some people have come to rely on will be registered. That's partly because it's up to the drug companies to apply for a licence, and some are far too small to afford the thousands of pounds that's needed.
The vast majority of smaller companies do not have the budget because they have a large diversity of products, and each licence simply doesn't generate enough sales to justify the cost of the licence.
Robert Verkerk points to at least 2 Western herbs which he thinks won't be available come May, meadowsweet and skullcap. And there'll be no Chinese, Indian or Amazonian medicines in the shops at all, he says. Officially, there's no mention of which products are going. 1/4 of people in the UK use herbal tablets or supplements, so an official stamp telling us they're safe is reassuring. But still the advice is, do your homework and find out whether or not they work. Siobhan Tai, BBC News.